Hello, good morning, students. I hope that you'll be very well today. We are going to start with the phonics activity number 1. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020, and I need that you go for your book, Phonics and Spelling, okay? So go for your book, Compass, Phonics and Spelling. We are going to start and we're going to finish this book. If you don't have your book with you, you can edit this presentation, okay? So let's start. Open your book. We are in the page 57. Okay, so as you can remember, we are talking about homophones. What are homophones? Remember that homophones are words that sound the same but have different spelling and meaning. Las palabras homófonas tienen sonido igual, pero tienen escritura y significado diferente, okay? As you learned in your last English classes, we are continuing here in this exercise, okay? So, check here in this first item that you have here. You have two sentences, the sentence A and the sentence B. And you're going to complete with the words that you have in the word bank. For the first one, we have to in line to buy the tickets. Okay, so here, what is the action? Here is an action. Here you need to complete with a verb. The verb here that you're going to use is wait. Okay, you're going to write here the verb, wait. We have to wait in the line to buy the tickets. For letter B, you need another word that has similar sound. What is the homophone word for wait? Eating vegetables can help you maintaining a healthy. Comer vegetales te puede ayudar a mantener un qué saludable. So, wait here. Wait, okay, this word. You're going to write. Wait. For the number 2, this old backpack is the zipper is broken too. This old backpack is very warm. Okay, write the word warm. For letter B, the sign on the page. People about dangerous ocean currents. Warm. Okay, write the word. For number 3, do you think the teacher will my project is 2 days late? Here you need a verb. The teacher will accept. Okay? Letter B. She has soccer practice every day except Tuesday. Okay, write the word except. Remember first the X and then the C. For number 4, oh no, there is a hole in my shop. Hay un agujero, a hole. Letter B, you will feel sick if you eat whole cake. Te enfermarás si comes todo un pastel. Okay, let's continue. In the number 5, can we at 6 o'clock, can we meet? Nos podemos encontrar Okay, write the word with the met with double E. B. This receipt doesn't have any in it. No tiene suficiente. Just vegetables, solo vegetales. Meat. Carne. Number 6. I will have a of pie for dessert. I will have a piece. And the last one. The war is over. The countries have signed a peace agreement. Un acuerdo de paz. Okay, now let's continue with the next exercise. Cycle the homophones, write the sentences, okay? Here, you are going to edit if you don't have the book. Okay, so first I'm going to cycle the homophones word. In the number 1, I underline for you as an example, buy. Please buy some apples and pears at the store. Y peras, comprar y peras. So you are going to cycle both words because that word are homophones. Okay, for the number 2, what are the homophones word? My needs 2 glasses 2. Okay, let's check according to the context. Recuerda que tu oración tiene que tener este contexto. It has to make sense. Tiene que tener sentido. Okay, so in the number 2, we are going to underline and, okay, so underline and, needs to, necesita que, glasses, where, no, because it's a place, with H, no, where, without H, needs to wear glasses, to, ¿para qué usamos? Where do you have to use glasses? To see, or to see? See with A or see with E? With double C, okay, to see. So here you're going to write the sentence, okay? You write the sentence here. My aunt needs to wear glasses to see. Okay, I'm not going to write, but you're going to do at home. Number 3, I, okay, check here, I ate. No 8 for the number, 8. I ate, that is a verb in the past tense. I ate everything, comí todo, the spaghetti, except, okay, except the spaghetti with bitter meat. No, it's not because we're talking about a reunion. So here because we're talking about carne in Spanish. Number 4, I didn't know or no. No sabía. I didn't know. No sabía. I didn't know the right answer. La respuesta correcta. The right answer. So I guess it. The last one. Would you like, okay, here, would you like one piece of cake or 2? ¿Te gustaría una pieza de pastel o 2? Would you like 1 piece of cake or 2? And you're going to write the sentence here. Okay, now let's continue. Now for this activity, you need to play the track here and match the homophones. So here we're going to match the numbers, okay? We're going to match the numbers with the pictures at the bottom of your book. Okay, yo aquí lo tengo diferente, but those pictures are in the bottom of the book, abajo de tu libro. So you're going to match here. In this case, for example, which picture at the bottom of the page, at the bottom of the page from letter A to H sounds the same as sail? ¿Cuál tiene sonido igual? Which picture? Okay, which picture from letter A to H has the same sound of sail? Do you know? The correct answer here is the picture C, sail. Okay, so here you're going to write the letter C. Okay, I'm going to write it for you as example. Okay, here you're going to write the letter C. Okay, now for the number 2, close. Close. It is similar to clothes. Clothes. Okay, so here we're going to write letter E. Now continue. Number 3, beat. Okay, beat. Which picture from letter A to H has similar sound as beat? Do you know? It's beat. This one, that is letter F. Okay, the next one, you have the answer. Shield has similar sound to shoes. Letter A. Number 5, knight, caballero, has the same sound of knight. Right here, letter D. Waist, this is the waist, has similar sound to which one? Letter H. Okay, letter H, waist. Okay, and the last two, you have pulse, that has similar sound of pulse. Those are pulse, so here you're going to write the letter B. And in the last one, you know what is the answer for tail. The other homophone word is the letter G, tail. Okay, so right here in order that you can check. Okay guys, so I'm going to play the audio in order that you can check.
Sail. 2, close.
Close. Repeat.
3, beat. 4, choose. 5, night. 6, waist. 7, pause. 8, tail.
Okay, so for the last activity in this one is activity number 1. You're going to insert the page 59 in your book. Okay, check your understanding. Okay, here's the instruction. Cycle the homophones. Encierra. What words the homophone words, okay? Okay, so you do that activity individual and then you continue. Here you write the homophones and here I'm going to put an audio and you complete the sentences, okay? That's all. Then at the end you make the draw, send your evidence and thank you for watching.